Okay, hello everyone. Now let's look at our question 49. So do the following operations on a natural number. If it is an even number, so divide it by 2. If it is an odd number, add 1. And so on until the number is 1. So the operation will stop. And we need to find out how many numbers are there that become 1 after 9 operations. So this way, we cannot consider this, assume a number and consider each step to find out after 9 operations, it will be 1. But this one, because we don't know which number it is, but we can know the last number should be 1. Maybe we should start from the last number 1. So for example, this one, yeah, just a 1. So we need to think, okay, so 1 is the last step. So in front of this step was that number. So we know it is an odd number, add 1. And if it is an even number, so divide by 2. Yeah. So before that, can be times 2 or minus 1. But remember, minus 1, it will become 0. 0 is not possible. So it should be only 2. And remember, 2, if add 1, so this one we should minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. But if this step until 1, the operation will stop. So it is not possible to be 1. It can only be 2 times 2 equals 4. And before 4 was the 2 number. Yeah, it can be 3. And before 3, it will be 6. And before 4, it can be 8 because times 2. And after that 8, it can minus 1 or times 2. Be 7 or 16. And after that, we think 6, 7, and 16 as the next step. We think about the last step, it should be 1. Sure. It can be 5, 12, 14, 15, and 32. So now let's observe these numbers. Each column is 1 step. So each column, how many possible numbers do we have? Yeah, we have 1, 1, 2, 3, and 5. So now let's look at that. Can you find any pattern here? So each last step actually is the sum of these 2 steps. Okay, so 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So this step is possible 2 answers. And 1 plus 2 equals 3. So this step, 3 possible answers. And 2 plus 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So it will be possible 5 answers. So maybe it's a kind of Fibonacci sequence. And from 1 to 8, it can be 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and 21. So how about the first operation? Actually, from the reverse order, it should be the last one. It's just the 13 plus 21 equals to 34. So actually, we have 34 numbers on the first step. Okay.